In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to periodize training on Trainerize 2025 step by step. We'll start by creating a fresh training program. In your Trainerize dashboard, head to the Programs tab, then choose Add and select Create New Program. Pick Custom Program so you can build everything from scratch. Give it a clear, descriptive name like Hypertrophy to Strength 12 Weeks, so you instantly know the focus and timeline. Set the overall program length, for example 12 weeks, and save to lock in the framework you'll build on. Periodization lives inside phases, so next open your new program and click Add Phase. Name the first one something like Phase 1, Hypertrophy, and set the duration, typically 3 to 6 weeks depending on your client's needs and training history. Click Create, then repeat the process for Phase 2, Strength, and Phase 3, Power. You can also include a Phase 4, Deload if you want a lighter week to consolidate gains and reduce fatigue. Now build the workouts for each phase. Click into a phase and choose Add Workout. You can pull from the exercise library, add custom exercises, and create supersets or circuits if that suits your design. Match your sets and reps to the goal of each phase. For hypertrophy, think 8 to 15 reps. For strength, 3 to 6 reps. And for power, 1 to 5 explosive reps with plenty of rest. Save each workout as you go, so your structure stays organized. With the workouts ready, schedule them on the calendar. Inside the phase, open calendar and drag your sessions onto the weekly layout. Repeat for every week in that phase, then move to the next phase and do the same. Aim for a smooth, logical progression from week to week and phase to phase so the client's workload and focus evolve intentionally. Add progressions to guide weekly changes. Open a workout and click the progression icon that looks like a graph. And from there, set increases in reps, load, tempo, RPE, or overall difficulty, then save. This ensures progressive overload is built in and easy to follow. Trainerize will transition clients between phases automatically based on your program timeline. Double check that each phase has correct dates and duration. There are no empty weeks and workouts cover the entire phase. When phase 1 ends, the client moves to phase 2 without you lifting a finger. When you're ready, assign the program. Go to Clients, select your client, click Assign Program, choose your periodized plan, set a start date, and confirm. Finally, track and adjust. In the client profile under Progress, review strength graphs, weights lifted, workout completion, and PRs. If needed, edit workouts or phase details so the plan stays effective and personalized.